Hello friends, welcome to Digital Girl. Please subscribe our channel and share this video. Let's start.
Hi and welcome to the session. I am Deepika here. Let's discuss a question. Find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equation. If the real roots exist, find them. 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we know that the roots of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 are given by x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now, since b square minus 4ac determines whether the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has real roots or not, and b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the quadratic equation. Now, a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has number 1, two distinct real roots if b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. That is, discriminant is greater than 0. Number 2, quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 has two equal roots if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Third, no real roots exist if discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, is less than 0. So this is the key idea behind our question. We will take the help of this key idea to solve the above question. So let's start the solution. Given quadratic equation is x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. On comparing with quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, we have a is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3, and c is equal to 5. Therefore, the discriminant b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 3 square minus 4 into 2 into 5, and this is equal to 9 minus 40, and this is equal to minus 31. Since b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant, is less than 0, hence according to the key idea, the given quadratic equation has no real roots. Thus, the answer for the above question is real roots do not exist. I hope the solution is clear to you. Bye and take care.